Hey guys, it's me, Bella, and what? Should we tell them about the club? Should we?
I'm sure.
Do you want this or this? She can't. Did you? Okay.
You want this or this?
I don't know. Wait, what are we doing? Okay, so we're making paper squishies right now.
You can keep this?
Yeah, you guys can keep it. I don't care. We're making paper squishies, but we just have this. And I made this one. It's Sour Patch Kids. And I'm making a hot Cheetos run right now. And we have a bunny and guinea pig club. I have a guinea pig, they have a guinea pig, and they have a bunny. Bella, Haley, Bianca, and me are in the club.
Yeah, it's like two clubs mixed together, so
We're making homemade fidgets. Well, I bought fidgets from the store, but whatever, I don't care. So we have this. That Bella's just letting me keep it. And we have like this one. And then these paper squishies. I got a Sour Patch Kids, and I'm making hot Cheetos right now.
I'm gonna make, what is black?
Black licorice.
Hi guys, we're gonna go and mix them, but not yet because we're waiting for Alexandra and Bella to finish the craft she's making.
That's so annoying.
Anyways,
I think
so annoying.
Okay,
And I'm
guys.
gonna make barbecue chips because
Okay, so this is how you make a paper squishy. Since I'm starting from the beginning, I'm just gonna show them. Okay, so fold your paper in half,
let us keep these.
like really equally.
Let us keep these.
Like mine's not that equally, but you just have like a okay. However big you want it, cut it like that, like this. You have to fold it just now, and then cut it how big you want, like this. I'm just gonna show you. And then this you can use for another paper squishy, but I'm gonna use this one right now. Okay, so then you start taping the sides. Here, I'll show you. You have to have, this is what you need. You have to have whatever colored paper, it doesn't even have to be colored. You need tape and a Meyer bag or like a Kroger bag or like a Dollar Tree bag, whatever. Okay, bar. Okay.
I don't know why she's moving.
Cute.
I'm not gonna go close to Elijah. She's like, go away.
Okay, just start taping it.
Okay. Are you using this?
No.
No. Here, Bianca, if you want to make one like this, it makes it easier. Use that one.
Just start taping all the sides, but when it comes to the top, here, I'll just show you.
I kind of need to tape.
Here. Oh my gosh, my brother is yelling. Just know we're in my basement right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my brother, he was playing Among Us and he got, there was 5 imposters. It was so crazy. It
What
was
are you
5
doing?
imposters. And they got a victory. Are you using both of these bags?
Yeah, then there's only like 5 players. You can use. Wait, who just took? Oh, yeah, you can use that one. Cause I'm not.
Okay, you guys. I recommend doing paper
And I got
squishies.
this
It's-
squishy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good.
This one looks like it's gonna work. I wanted black squishy and with a donut on it.
Do the donut inside?
Yeah.
The donut's inside?
Yeah, because I want to make it squishy. Real squishy.
Yeah, this is my sister too.
And I'm going to make with baggy because we're...
What time is it? My dad will tell us because he texted your mom, and your mom was like, she has to be back at 4. It's okay. My dad will tell you. Okay, you guys, it should be like looking like this. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put the same hot Cheetos on it. Sorry. Seriously. How do you spell Cheeto?
Can I use this one?
Cheeto,
Can I use this?
I don't know. Man.
I don't even know
I'll
how to
search
spell
it up
that.
on there.
I need blue though. Oh.
Sorry, you guys. You guys are like slanted to me for. How do you spell hot Cheeto?
I found this on the web.
Want to see my name? B.
Do you like Takis or hot
Oh
Cheetos?
my god, it's
Takis.
I like Takis more, but
I need something
I like Takis.
good.
I like.
How about brown?
I
It's
don't know
good.
which hot Takis I like.
Brown.
I like the color changing ones. Yeah, those are like the best ones, I think.
B. It's
Excellent.
not even working. Here.
I know.
I like the ones that are like, I don't know, like, there's like 5 imposters. You can't even do 5 imposters.
I know. It was a glitch.
Bunny.
That's not fair at all.
I
Yep.
kind of need a pencil.
Then there's only like 5 people. So like, if there's 10.
They can just, everybody can just kill them.
Squishy.
Okay. Oops, I think I did this wrong. Did I do this wrong?
No, you didn't do it wrong. I forgot to do the hot
I
Cheeto.
guess Elijah is so
barbecue.
mad at me because she...
Or whatever I was going to do, I didn't know at the time.
I'm gonna cut the bag. It will not fit because I accidentally so tight.
Bianca, do you like hot Cheetos or Takis?
Not
I like hot Cheetos. I hate hot Cheetos. I like Takis, but I didn't know. I don't know. I just didn't think about Takis.
Why are you cutting them?
Because I'm gonna put it inside.
I tried it.
Okay, you guys. So when you're like halfway like this, you start. If it's like not, if it won't go in at hole, you start cutting it. Mine won't go in not out a hole, so just start cutting
And I
it.
also got some...
Start cutting it and putting it in like this. Sorry, that's my baby sister. She screamed. Okay. Start putting it in. You guys should about like at least
How do
use
you know
one.
he had 5 imposters and stuff?
Cause he showed me.
Because he showed you?
Yeah, he was like, "Oh my gosh."
Why are you... Oh, yeah.
Said you like do this and split it into parts.
Okay, guys, when
And
it's
I
like
need a
filled like
bag
this, just
again.
push it down a little. Here, you can use the rest of that. Okay, then just keep on getting your tape and then taping it up all the way. Then you have to be done. Here, I'll show you what you have to do on the top.
I'm just putting it inside because I need, like...
To like put it in parts. Like one by one.
It's a baby sister.
You're so weird.
Baby sister. Elijah's like walking.
Oh, he's sleeping. Elijah's sleeping.
Elijah?
Oh, he isn't. He's just faking.
Wait, you actually thought he was sleeping?
Yeah, he was just closing his eyes.
Look at his move.
I slept today. So I was exhausted.
Oh my god.
I don't usually take a nap, so it's a big deal.
Guys, can you guys just please follow?
I'm gonna go
Or
see
like,
him
I don't
again.
care.
Yeah. And also comment down below.
What fidget should we do next? What is Bianca doing? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys our names. I'm Alessandra, this is Bella, and then the other one that just went upstairs is Bianca.
What was that?
So you start taping the top. I only have like a little bit more left until I'm done. Like, I just love making these things. They're so good. I just love them. I want to make like a bunch of them.
Sorry. Elijah? There's a monster!
Stop it, Elijah. Okay, my background's weird. You're a little sus, my dude. Okay, guys, I just got done.
No! Elijah, stop.
This is my hot Cheetos.
Holy, Elijah,
You
stop.
can squish it.
Elijah!
Squish, squish. Ooh, I actually like this one a lot. I like both of them.
Elijah!
This one has more air. Feel? Do you want to feel them? Do you want to feel them? Elijah, stop.
Sorry, Elijah.
Do you want to feel them?
Yeah.
Here, first feel that one. Oh no, that one's about to break. I need to put, oh no. Wait, I don't know. Here, then feel this one.
I don't know what's better.
Probably that one maybe.
I like this one because it's like hot Cheetos.
It's like,
I like hot Cheetos, but I like Takis.
okay,
way
which
more
one
than-
should I do next? I have Sour Patch Kids and Hot Cheetos.
You should do Takis maybe.
But like, that's like related to Hot Cheetos.
Okay then. I'm doing we both did chips. It's like I did a way different chip from you because I like.
Okay, what should we do next? Oh wait, you didn't do Sour Patch Kids.
No, I did not.
Airheads.
Yeah, I really like Airheads.
Airheads.
Airheads are my favorite.
Okay, should we do green for Airheads?
I'm gonna do red.
Red? Red for Airheads?
Yeah, red.
I'm gonna do green. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take you with me to go. You want red?
Yeah.
You can just use this if that's enough.
Yeah, that's good.
I put my bag.
I'm probably gonna get more paper bags. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get my my green one paper. Okay. I'm sorry, my beanbag's on my way. Okay, let's see. Green, 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 green. Oh, I'm gonna do yellow. Yellow's my favorite color, so I'm gonna do yellow. I changed my mind, Bella. I'm gonna do yellow. Paper. Okay. I'm gonna kind of like make this one really small. I want to make this one really small. Okay.
Is red cherry?
What?
Is red cherry?
I don't know. If you guys want yours to like be small, just like cut it like this, and then do this. Wait, I don't know if this is gonna
I know
work.
that's what I did. I was gonna tell you how like but I was doing it.
How did I find again? That's squishy again.
Oh, can I see it? Can I see which one it is? Okay. I have this one for Sour Patch Kids. I mean, Airheads. Yep, they're all croissanties. Feel it. Okay, Airheads. Airheads, Airheads, Airheads. I'm going to use a green crayon.
Excuse me.
Ew, she just farted. Not Bella, Bianca did. Show them, you. Come here. Come here.
What?
That girl just farted.
Yeah, I'm in the background. I'm over here, so.
Airheads. This is my Airheads. And I'm going to start taping it. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm taping just like, I'm not taping all across.
No.
I'm taping just to like, here. I don't know. Oops.
Taking this out because it's like bothering me.
Okay. Just start
I don't
taping.
want to go to Debbie's house, which is my grandma's.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't.
It's your grandma's house. I would love to go to my grandma's house. But she's on cancer right now. She has cancer.
She does?
She's on leukemia cancer right now. And her brother has cancer too. Like, her mom and her dad died from cancer.
I found this.
It's like a tradition or something. Joe, don't. That's annoying. Yeah. So, she's on treatment right now. So she's first, like, for cancer, she first has to do these medicines and she gets really weak. They have to kill all of her insides of her bodies to kill the cancer. So they're killing all of her things. And then she has to get surgery for it. Well, hopefully she stays alive.
So I'm going to change the subject because I don't know about that. But I showed my cousin the ghost detector app.
Yep. We can do it on my iPad.
Oh, you have it on your iPad?
Mhm. I did find a ghost, but and then she just left. Wait, is it okay if I use this?
You remember that one named Joel?
I told them about it.
You did?
Yeah, and remember one named Francis?
Yeah. I don't remember what Francis looked like, but I still.
She was like a wedding bride, I think.
Yeah, I think that was when we were walking down the street to go to your house. And I think, remember, the one with the hood? I don't know his name.
Yeah. I don't know.
We saw, one day when I was at my house, I saw this ghost. I don't know her name, but she said she was going to hurt me.
Hey, Alondra.
And ever since I'm scared of her.
Oh.
I showed I think she's my
I
cousin.
found a lot of squishies. Excuse me.
Why did you fart again? It's not me. It's not Bella. That girl. It's not her. It's her. Right here.
Yeah.
She's weird. Yeah. Bianca, you're weird.
How can I get up when I squish it? Sit down. Three, two, one.
Here, you guys, I'll show you my TikTok. Hang on, I need to get it up on my iPad.
All right, girls, wrap it up. You
Okay.
guys gotta get going.
Okay.
We're at. Oh.
Okay, you guys,
What time is it?
It's 3:43. This is my TikTok, you guys. It's fidget. You guys can write it down. And you guys can follow me.
We have to make that start.
Okay, that's my it's a private account, so I have to friend request you. It's
We have to make the sound.
wait, we cannot make slime today.
Why?
No, we can't because we have to go. But we're gonna make it next week or whenever we can.
Just hurry up and finish that, and then when you're I don't know, when you get home, you can make the Sour Patch Kids. I mean Airheads. You can make Airheads.
Really late.
Whatever.
I found this. Is this serious?
But
Yeah.
I will make the airheads next week, maybe. We can.
I'm almost
I'm
done.
trying to make this really. I might have to finish this while I'm at my grandma's house, but I don't know. My mom will let me. My cousins are not gonna be there.
Wait, is it your grandma's birthday or your mom's?
My mom's.
Okay, you guys, I'm almost done.
She on her birthday she went to
Airheads.
to Florida, so we couldn't celebrate. So we had to do it days and stuff.
Okay,
Here.
I got my Airheads for you.
It's not like I don't want to celebrate my mom's birthday.
Hold on.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Okay, this is my Airheads, you guys. You guys, I'm probably gonna make more. This is my hot Cheetos. This is my Sour Patch Kids, and it has smiley faces in there. And this is my Airheads. I have 3 of them. I'm probably gonna. I want a YouTube channel so bad, but my dad won't let me until I'm 12 or 13
Why though?
because I'm just too young. Okay, bye guys.
Yeah, we're gonna head there.
Bye.